become sulfate ion and hydronium ion. Dissociation has two potential kinds, a mostly reversible process. The real electrolytes, they include ions in the crystal solid states. Potential electrolytes don't possess ions, but neutral particles of chemical compounds, and dissociation is occurring by using ions by solution. For dissociation are able only ionic or very strongly polar covalent solutions, and this is, for example, of hydrogen fluoride. It has strong ionic composition, since difference between fluorine and hydrogen is above in electronegativity is 1.8, is strongly ionic compound. Therefore, it can dissociate very well and can be used. In case another is Const dissociation constants, which is the equilibrium of dissociation. So this composition of chemical compounds into ion under influence of solvent or strong electric field. Now we have weak electrolytes in dissociation K, which depends on concentration right. With concentration increase, the degree of dissociation is going down, and not the dilute solution is simply but this constant is proportional to degree and concentration. This pH is logarithm of hydrogen ions, and within, if it's higher than 7 is basic, neutral is 7, and below 7 is acidic. The stable is from 0 to 7 acidic, and from 6 to 8, 9 is neutral, from 9 to 14 is basic. There are several cases. For example, ionic ammonia is going to bring some OH bonds, and this is going to solvents, and the strong acid and strong, besides fluorine, give only chloride solid. Weak acid and strong base is giving bigger than 7. Evaluation giving the stronger basic pH response, while the weak and has high acid are acidic, with weak bond and acidic is very specific to every salt, can be specific to acidic, specific to else. The lacmus is the indicator of pH built from natural algae solution as Solosky living, for example, of Mediterranean and Atlantic Ocean, and is the solution of dissolved compounds. And this is in pH 5 to 8. And for this are some lacmus containing 7 chromophoring, so changing the light. The most important are Rossella infractoria, Functionormis, Rossifolia ficus, and Rossella montagnei. They are most important solution of the these lichens. So this kind of algae are called lichens, and these are very important because also some medical properties. So mostly are now used as Rochella mozambique and Dendrographa leucophera, while, for example, Rixella pygmea with 70 hectares is most used in medical cases. So this can be pH be measured by pH meter, which is a special electrode which will solve how much increase of ionic and charging. The solution is the case that we have, and this is a special case of dissociation because during the pollution or from for example power plant is giving sulfate with nitrogen oxide from the example the drilling, and this mixing in the grain acid raining, which is highly dissociating and making, for example, the soil demineralization and the acidification water, while especially with connection to smoke, it can be also be very harmful. In case of sedimentation, for example, to acid, we get it, and the trouble is that all can be very dangerous, and this neutralization we can talk is the chemical reaction between acid and base, which the products are water and salt, not using the acid or base, and this is ion according to ionic definition. Acid are the reaction which occur the salt and water. It means the solution of neutral pH, for example, sodium chloride between chloride and potassium. In case precipitation is chemical reaction which occurs one hardly soluble product or more, so we can separate each other. And that's all for today. Thank you very much for listening to me.